Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 SX stream. This is question number 7 from part 1 from the topic ellipse. Question says let x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1 where a is greater than b, so it will be horizontal parabola, that is major axis will be along x axis. Be an ellipse with foci f1 and f2. Let AO be its semi-minor axis where O is the center of the ellipse. The line AF1 and AF2 when extended cut the ellipse again at points B and C respectively. Suppose that triangle ABC is equilateral, then eccentricity of ellipse is, and we are given option A 1 upon root 2, B 1 upon root 3, C 1 upon 3, D 1 upon 2. Now, to solve this question, let us first make this kind of diagram. We are given OA is a semi-minor axis and AF1 when extended it meets this ellipse at B, AF2 when extended meets this ellipse at C, and ABC is equilateral triangle. That means this angle should be 30 degree because angle BAC has to be 60 because it is equilateral triangle, and this AO should be angle bisector. By symmetry we can say, and also this OF1, OF2 they all are equal, so this angle has to be half of each, so this angle will be 30 degree. Now one very important thing to solve this question directly is that this sine 30 if I take, okay, it will be equal to OF1 upon AF1. Okay, I think OF1 is one very standard result, that is equal to AE. Okay, and AF1, listen carefully here. If I take the sum of distance of A from focus 1 and from focus 2, we know this is a very standard property of ellipse. It has to be equal to 2A, that is length of major axis. And because A is on the semi-minor axis, so this AF1 and AF2 both will be equal. Okay, AF1 is equal to AF2. So this AF1 or AF2, they should both be equal to A only. So here it will be A. So what we have got, this sine 30 will be equal to E, or we can say E will be equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, why I have done this directly? Because this was in my mind that this distance is AE and AF1 length is always A. When we are taking distance of any focus from the end of minor axis, it has to be A. So from there, always whatever this angle theta is, your E will be always sine theta. We can remember this result for future. It will be a shortcut for such kind of questions. Okay, so answer for this question should be D. This completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Bye.